counterfeit versions of the test kit, specifically targeting those with lot number. These fraudulent kits reportedly list the wrong manufacturer and carry incorrect expiration dates, posing a severe risk of misdiagnosis and delayed treatment. My colleague Maxwell Mensah from the Bullet Research and Investigative Desk joins me in studio for more analysis on this. Max, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Right, you always come in with the numbers. Tell us what you have for us this afternoon.
Right, so the FDA has released a safety alert on some of the HIV test kits, and let's look at what they really indicated in their press release. Now, this is what they call the first one, or the fake one. Let's look at the components of how you can identify the fake test kits the FDA is talking about. The first is the Visitect CD4 Advanced Disease Test, and that's the brand name. I mean, the name of the product. That's what it means. And also, we have the manufacturer, the company which manufactured the product. We have the Omega Diagnostic Limited, UK. We have the lot number. I mean, the exact number of the kind of product being produced by this company is 0001586. We have the IFU version, the quantity of the product being manufactured by such company is version number 3, and manufactured date is 2014 and the August, and we have the expiry date 2027. So if you see this component on this particular product, the FDA is saying that it is fake. Now let's look at the original component also. For original, it's the same name. I mean, the Visitect CD4 Advanced Disease Test. So clearly you can see the brand name, they are the same, but there's some components which differs. Now if you look at the manufacturer, the one who made this product, it is AcuBio Limited, the same in the UK, as compared to the other one. We'll be looking at some of the comparison later. Now, lot number, if you look at the lot number, here it is 0002172 as compared to the other one, which is the fake one. IFU version 1, the other one is 3, and we have the manufacture date 2025 and the expiry date 2026. So now let's see the comparison between the two products. So the first one about the manufacturer, the one who made the product, for the genuine version, we have the AcuBio, which is limited, and the fake one comes with Omega Diagnostic Limited, and we also have the lot number 002172 for the original or the genuine product, and we have 001586 comes for the first one. We have the manufacturer date July 2025. But the fake one comes August 2025, and the expiry date November 2025, and also 2027 in January for the fake one. Now let's look at why this is necessary, because the first one talks about the false negatives. Now someone can do a test and it will give you a negative. Meanwhile, you are positive, you are not being affected, or you have been affected, but it will tell you that you are not being affected. This will give you a clear indication of how it communicates to the public. So you can clearly see that it could lead to a life-threatening delays in standard critical treatment when it gives you that you are negative, meanwhile you are positive. And also if you are positive, it can give you negative. So that's what it really does, and the FDA is really raising an alert on that. Now the directive is that when you find a product like this, the first thing that you are supposed to do is that there must be an inspection. Just call the FDA to come and do some inspection within where you are selling your products and others. Or if you have cited something like that, can also alert the FDA to go and do a thorough investigation or inspection on that. So also a quarantine or withdrawal. If you have identified some of the products, you need to quarantine them, put them in stock. Don't sell those products, or just release this to the appropriate authorities. And also return or disposal, just ban them, or just give it to FDA for them to make a move on that. And also verification protocol. Whenever you get a product, the FDA is urging that you need to verify some of the components of that particular product in order to being a victim of that. So this is what the FDA is saying, that we have to be vigilant as Ghanaians and the kind of product that we buy, especially concerning these products that we are talking about.
Right, Max, if you look at these knockoff products, they target the market and then know where the demand is before they infiltrate the system with these fake products. Now, is it the case that people have been conscientized, people have come to the realization that they need to check their HIV status, or it is just that because they've realized that the Ghana AIDS Commission is entreating all to know their status, which is the reason they are trying to proliferate the market with these knockoffs. What do you suggest could be the reason?
You can clearly see that for us, data, I need to do a data to check whether most Ghanaians are willing now or they are into checking. But clearly you can nowadays see some of the news going out that HIV/AIDS is going up. And I believe that this has caused a lot of people to go and check that. And henceforth, it is leading many people or many organizations to just fill the system with fake products and others. So it can be exact what you said, but data has not proven that. Maybe it's because of that. But since Ghanaians are now checking, I clearly believe that it's because many Ghanaians now want to check. Now others are also taking as an advantage to earn something from that. And I believe also because of the law enforcement, our law enforcement is very weak. The system is not checking. If the system is really working, I think that we would have gotten to where we are, whether people are checking or they are not checking.
Right. Max, thank you. That's my colleague Maswo Mensah there. But Dr.